Back in 2018, it was impossible for me to imagine that we will build a billion-dollar business out of housewives selling products on WhatsApp. I'm Shikhar. I joined Meesho back in 2018 as their first product manager. Back then, we were a very small team of like 10, 15, 20 people in product, engineering, design, all of that combined. And over time, my role has evolved in the product team to work on bigger features for our users as we have scaled. And right now, I'm working on a new business unit called PopShop that I'm very excited about. So I'll be very honest, back in 2018, it was impossible for me to imagine that we will build a billion-dollar business out of housewives selling products on WhatsApp. And I still remember Meesho was introduced to me by a mentor of mine when I was running my own startup. And when I interviewed with the team, I felt that all the leaders, the founders, they were just far smarter than me. And that was my primary reason of joining, right? To work with people who are very talented and at the same time very motivated. Yeah, so my growth has been nothing short of phenomenal. Back when I joined, I would have not expected to be given such big problems at such an early stage of my career. Within 2 years of my joining, we had already grown 100x in terms of our number of orders. I was being given far bigger problems every 2 months than what I was initially tackling. Yeah, so this is a question I get asked a lot because I'm mostly working. I don't think I've taken like a single day off in the last 1 year, and all of my college friends are like what is Meesho? Why are you working all the time and all of that? And I have two very specific reasons of what drives me. The first one is just the social impact and the mission statement of our company. And at Meesho, I still remember, this is a personal story. We were organizing an award ceremony for some of our top entrepreneurs, top businesswomen. And I'm like one of the most emotionless people that you would meet in your lifetimes. And I still remember, like, when you see a housewife walk up on stage and talk about how Meesho helped her overcome depression, how she was able to build her identity in the society, she was able to earn an income for her family. Like, I'm sure all of the Meesho team members that were present at that time had tears in their eyes. So the second reason that drives me is that is very simply the team. I think some of the most talented as well as the most motivated people that I know in life actually work at Meesho. A lot of them are ex-entrepreneurs. We would have developers who are so closely connected to users that if a user faces an issue, they'll solve it at 2 in the night without informing any product manager or anybody, right? And that builds a very positive energy in the company where everyone is working towards a common goal. And at the same time, like, when you have a happy team, people are always finding more and more ways to spend time together, be it sports, games, parties, or anything like that. So one should join Meesho if firstly they get excited about solving for tier 2 and tier 3 users in India. At the same time, I think right now Meesho is in a great phase where you also have like 10 to 100 teams who are working on very big scalable problems. And at the same time, you have like 0 to 1 teams like PopShop who are trying to again solve a very new problem for a new demographic of people in social commerce. So depending on your interest, I think it's very much possible in Meesho right now to find an apt role, and that's probably one of the reasons you should join us.